हेलो दोस्तों, आशा करता हूँ कि ये पेंटिंग आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर आप मुझसे पेंटिंग सीखना चाहते हैं तो आप मेरे पेंटिंग वीडियोस, डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन वीडियोस खरीद सकते हैं और उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है। थैंक यू दोस्तों। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू लाइक दिस पेंटिंग वेरी मच। इफ़ यू लाइक इट, do not forget to click the like button and subscribe my channel. If you would like to learn painting from me, I do have some painting demonstration videos including for this one, and the link for the same is provided in the description of this video. Thank you very much. Believe me, once you go through all this process, you learn what are the colors and how I apply them, seeing it in the canvas on the live demonstrations of hours of painting. I'm sure you will definitely be able to implement all these tools and techniques and tips and tricks I'm using and doing it live for you, and it will definitely help you make a great painting artist. You know, we buy so many items which expire, including our laptops, computers. But this thing, my friend, it will last till the last day of our life. If you have the hobby of painting, if you love colors, then go for it.